We would like to announce that in the forthcoming days, we are going to teach the Gerson therapy of healing disease. First of all, we would like to thank the Gerson Institute, headed by Charlotte Gerson, the daughter of Dr. Max Gerson, for allowing us to use their videos and materials in our broadcast. We are going to post her documentary films all about cancer. Kaya i-post nyo ito sa inyong Facebook and show it to people suffering from cancer to encourage them to fight cancer, heal cancer by itself, because the body has the capacity to heal itself. And the titles of these documentary films are Dying to Have Known, The Beautiful Truth, and The Gerson Miracle. These are about 81 minutes or more than an hour film all about cancer survivors and how they were treated. So this will benefit those who think that they are going to die and encourage them to live longer. So ituturo po namin yung method niya, paglilinis ng colon through enema and colonics. Simultaneous po yun, magkasabay. Akala nyo pag nag-i-enema, enough na. No, that is not enough. Enema, colonics, plus 13 juices a day. Practically, that is going to be your water, mixed fruit and organic fruits and vegetable, plus massive antioxidant like selenium, chromium picolinate, Pau de Arco tea, vitamin C drip, chelation therapy, and oxygen therapy. Plus, we are going to give you minerals, vitamin C, grape seed, very potent antioxidant to address damaged cells, para wag na siya mag-metastasize po. Kasi ang mga cancer cells nag-i-start yan from free radical cells. And then it will turn into stage 1 cancer after the 10th year. So we will teach you what foods to eat and what foods to avoid. We have a long copy of foods to avoid because it is contaminated with monosodium glutamate, preservatives, food color, flavoring, refined salt, refined sugar, refined flour, and BHT, BHA, and so many chemicals. Pagka hindi po kasang-ayon ng ating katawan, magkakasakit po tayo. So I am advising you to share these videos to your friends, relatives who are suffering from cancer. And we would like to thank again Charlotte Gerson of the Gerson Institute for allowing us to use her videos and materials. And if we can acquire another book like this, The Healing the Gerson Way, we are going to give you one. Because my friend imported so many books, and he is giving it away for free. Mangingi po ako sa kanya, gagawin natin itong papremyo kung sino man ang makakapagpadala ng magandang suggestion how he can share this book to share it with others and help others. All about the Gerson therapy. Karamihan po ng mga alternative medical practitioners po dito sa Metro Manila ay Gerson method po ang ginagamit. Sila Dr. Omar Arabia, Dr. Rosario Austria, Dr. Lau, Nigel Cheng, Dr. Francisco, Dr. Torre, and many more. Kasi very effective po talaga yung Gerson method. Ginagawa kang alkaline, nililinis yung mga major organs, pinalalakas yung immune system. So, watch this movie if you are sick or not sick to avoid cancer. Because cancer will be the second killer disease in the Philippines soonest. Number 3 pa lang po siya. In Vietnam, it is the number 20th killer disease. Bihira po nagkaka-cancer sa Vietnam because they are vegetable eater. So thank you very much for listening. Keep on sharing our broadcast with others.